Hello viewers. Today we will study about elasticity and elastic limit. So what is elasticity? When an external force is subjected to an object, it may deform, right? Right. And the ability of that object to return to its original state when the external force is removed is known as elasticity. Let me elaborate it for you. Suppose we have a spring. We have a spring and in this spring, we subjected an external force and it deformed. We pulled that spring with an external force to this direction and it deformed. And what happened because of this external force? A restoring force of spring has been created and it is working towards the opposite direction of the external force. And when we removed this external force, the restoring force started to work and the spring came back to its original state. And this property of any object is known as elasticity. And now what is elastic limit? Suppose this object or this spring, the same spring has an elastic limit or a limit of 100 Newton. Like if we project more than 100 Newton, if we project a force more than 100 Newton, it will not be able to come back to its original state. And that amount of force is known as elastic limit. For example, if this force would be like 101 Newton, what will happen? It wouldn't be able to come back to its original state, right? So this 100 Newton is its elastic limit. Now, I have a question for you guys. Like, which one is more elastic? Option A, iron bar, and option B is rubber. Option A is the correct answer. So you might think, okay, rubber is like kind of more elastic, but no, rubber isn't more elastic because the elastic limit of rubber is literally less than that of elastic limit of iron bar. Okay, um, let me elaborate it for you. Suppose this is a rubber, and if we pull this rubber giving a force of like uh, 100 Newton, it may torn up, right? It may torn up. But but we have an iron bar. Suppose this is an iron bar, and an iron bar is literally very stiff. And if we even if we give about 500 Newton of force, it will not deform. Yeah, it will not deform. It will not deform, but it will not also like it will not get destroyed, right? But and when we will remove this 500 Newton from this iron bar, what will happen? It will still remain in its original state. Yes, it didn't deform. That's why I have written that it may deform. It may not also deform, right? But it will not get destroyed. So the elastic limit of iron bar is more than rubber. That's why iron is more elastic than rubber. Okay guys, thank you for today. We'll see you in the next video.